Hi, my name's Kevin Bormas with Quality Edge. I'm here today to talk about our 8-inch steel TruCedar siding and how to install it, the best techniques to install it. We have a friction fit lock that allows the 8-inch siding to engage and cause a little bit of a cupping so it hugs the wall. As you can see, as you lock it into place, it'll concave up against the wall a little bit. As you can see, I've got a full 12-foot piece that I'm locking up in. And when we lock up in the 8-inch siding, typically we would press a little bit up against to try to open up that lock on the bottom. I'm doing that a little bit with my thumbs. I'm pushing in and pushing up. You can do it with your whole hand, pushing in and pushing up to engage the lock. So now I'm going to install an overlap, a cut piece. Again, we're gonna engage it on the wall, push it in to engage it into the lock. If you can see on the small piece, you can see that it's all the way up and engaged. Another way to look to make sure that it's engaged is to look through the weep holes that are on the bottom. And if you can see the next lock underneath, it's all the way up. So with the next piece, we're going to overlap it about 3/4 of an inch, locking it into place. If you can notice, the overlap looks nice and tight. So I'm going to take a full piece and show that with a 12-foot piece, a full piece, you can install it by yourself. What I'm doing, I'm going to start by kind of engaging in the middle just a little bit, working my way down to one end while still holding in the middle to make sure I get a full engagement. I'm going to work my way on to the other end, and then I'm going to work towards a full engagement. So almost like a partial engagement to start, make sure that we all the way engaged a little bit on the full panel, and then a full engagement up the entire length. One thing to note as I'm installing a full panel, again, I'm hearing just a little bit with my ears, just a little bit of engagement. Again, holding in the middle, getting the full panel, and then working my way down into full engagement. And you can hear that it sets itself or seats itself all the way in, and that's it. There's no extra need to, really reef on it or anything else. There's a full engagement. As you can hear it just snap into place. As you can see with vinyl, once it's engaged, it moves quite a bit. And that's because there's a lot of expansion and contraction with vinyl, and it moves quite a bit. So it needs to be nice and loose and be able to move. The difference between vinyl and our TruCedar is that the TruCedar will only expand possibly a 1/16 of an inch. There's not enough expansion and contraction in TruCedar that makes a difference, and naturally it will move as the environment moves.